Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Step into effortless elegance with this chic pants outfit designed for the woman who loves comfort without compromising on style. The outfit features impeccably tailored trousers that fall smoothly along the legs, creating a sleek and elongated silhouette. Their high waist design gently cinches the waist, offering a flattering shape while giving you the perfect posture for a graceful look. Crafted from soft premium fabric, these pants move with you lightweight, breathable, and smooth against the skin. Whether you're walking through the city, attending a brunch, or stepping into a semi formal gathering, the flow and structure of these trousers add the ideal touch of the shoppification. Paired beautifully with a stylish top, the ensemble strikes a harmonious balance between modern minimalistic and classic charm. The top is designed for complements to the trousers and through full details, elegant stitching, subtle patterns, or a refined neckline that bring a polished finish to the whole look. The outfit is complete with delicate accessories, understand jewelry, and a pair chic heels or crisp white sneakers depending on your mood. This pants outfit isn't just clothing, it is a statement of confidence, effortless beauty, perfect for the woman who embraces comfort, class, and contemporary fashions. Extended pants outfit. This pants outfit radiates a quiet luxury that speaks through its fine craftsmanship and balanced designs. The trouser feature a perfectly structured cut that enhances your natural shape, slim at the top, softly trapped toward the bottom, creating an effortless defined profile. Every fold, every crease fall with precision, giving the outfit a clean, polished finish that looks stunning from every angle. The fabric carries a graceful drape, allowing the pant to sway gently with each step, adding a touch of femininity to the modern silhouette. The texture feels smooth and luxurious with just the right amount of stretch. To ensure comfort through long days and busy schedules, you can sense the quality the moment you slip them on. The coordinated top elevate the outfit even further, whether it is a tucked in blouse, a fitted bodice, or a softly flowing shirt. It blends seamlessly with the trouser, creating a balanced, eye-catching composition. The neckline draws attention, subtly framing the face while keeping the overall vibe elegant and sophisticated. Small styling choices bring the look to life. A slim belt defines the waist statement, earrings that add a hint of sparkle, or a structured handbags that enhances the outfit polished aesthetic, paired with the classic pumps for a formal look or sleek flats for a casual day out. The outfit adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. This pants outfit isn't just fashion, it is a celebration of poise, femininity, modern confidence, and timeless elegance. It's a kind of look that turns head quietly, leaving an unforgettable impression with its subtle charm and refined beauty. Step into elegance with this effortlessly chic pant outfit designed for the woman who loves comfort without compromising style. The look features perfectly tailored trousers that drape with a soft, graceful flow, enhancing your natural silhouette with every step. The high waist design elongates the legs, while the smooth structured fabric adds a refined touch, making the outfit ideal for both daytime outings and evening gatherings. Immerse yourself in the refined beauty of this executive pants outfit, a harmonious blend of structure, elegance, and modern femininity. These tailored trousers are crafted with precision, featuring a smooth, streamlined cut that enhances the natural curve while offering complete freedom of movement. The fabric drapes like liquid luxury, falling effortlessly from the waist to the hem, creating a silhouette that is both powerful and graceful. The high-rise waistbands shape the mid beautifully, giving the look a polished, elongated finish that flatters every body type. The top complements the trousers with perfect balance designed to add texture, sophistication, and character to the ensembles. Whether styled with a chic style satin blouses, a soft chiffon top, or a smart fitted shirt, each variation elevates every detail from the delicate pleats to the gentle sheen of the fabric, adds depth and dimension, making the outfit glow under any lighting, whether natural daytime or soft evening ambience. What makes this outfit truly stand out its versatility. It transitions seamlessly from day to night, from casual elegance to refined glamour. Pair it with the minimalistic jewelry for a clean contemporary look. or add bold, eye-catching accessories for adds an element of power dressing while daintily culture transforms and assemble into evening-ready masterpiece. Where completes the story sleek heels elevate the silhouette and add air confidence, while stylish flats or assemblage sandals create a relaxed yet effortlessly chic vibe. Layer it with a blazer for a polished professional appearance or drape lightweight shawl for a touch, softness, and charm. This pants outfit is not just clothing, it is a celebration of personal style. It speaks of confidence, elegance, and individuality. It's for the woman who walks with purpose, carries grace in her movement, and expresses her personality through subtle yet unforgettable details. Perfect for office wear, special dinners, festive gatherings, or simply for days when you want to feel beautifully empowered. This ensemble captured the essential of modern fashion and its finest. Discover the undeniable charm of this stunning pants outfit, a perfect fusion of confidence, sophistication, and modern elegance. These trousers are designed with the impeccably tailoring gently sculpted the figure while offering unparalleled comfort. The fabric moves with a soft fluid grace, creating a silhouette that flows effortlessly with every step. Its high-waisted structures not only elongates the legs but also adds a refined touch that makes the outfit look instantly elevated. Soft pleats, clean lines, and flawless finish showcase the artistry behind every stitch. Completing the trouser is a carefully selected top that adds character and dimensions to the assembles. Picture a silky blouse that glimmers subtly as it catches the light, or a structure, a shirt that adds definitions and strength to the overall look. The neckline, sleeves, and fabric detailing blend harmoniously, creating a balance between minimalistic and style, whether tucked in neatly for a polished vibe or left with a relaxed drape for effortlessly chic. The top enhances the outfit versatility and timeless appeal. This pants outfit shines not only through its design but also through the way it adapts to every moment. It's kind of the look that can speak softly yet make a strong statement, perfect for work days where professionalism meets professional flair, ideal for the brunch outings where comfort blends with charm and simplicity, flawless for evening events where elegance is essential. Its transformative power lies in how easily it can shift from sleek day wear to glamorous night wear with their just few styling touches. Accessories bring this outfit to the life with a refined sense of detail. A slim belt subtly defines the waist, adding depth and structure. Layered necklace, delicate bracelets, or minimal earrings highlight the neckline and elevate the overall look without overpowering it. A stylish handbag, whether a structured tote or a chic shoulders bag, complete the outfit with a touch of sophistication. The right footwear sets the final tone. Heels give the silhouette height and confidence, while elegant flats or sandals offers comfort with grace. And then there the charm of layering. Add a tailored blazer for a more commanding professional expressions, or draped a soft shawl or long cardigan for a cozy feminine finish. Each layer transforms the outfit into a new mood, allowing you to style it according to the setting, season, and personal preference. This brand's outfit is more than just fashion, it is self expression, it is a moment of poise and a reflection of confidence and a celebration of individuality. It embraces both simplicity and sophistication, making it perfect for choices for women who appreciate subtle luxury and timeless beauty. From formal events to casual gatherings, from everyday wear to special occasions, this embodies the elegance of modern dressing in its purest form. Step into a world where elegance meets confidence, where every detail of your outfit speaks with quiet sophistication. This breathtaking pants symbols crafted for the woman who understands the art of refined fashions. The trousers tailored or to perfection, or a silhouette that is both commanding and graceful. Their high-waisted design gently embraces the waistline, creating a sculpted shape that elongates the body with effortless charm as the fabric falls smoothly in soft, unique scripted lines is created rhythm of movement that execute poise with every stride. The material itself feels like a whisper against of the skin, Lightweight yet structured, polished yet comfortable. Every fold, every seam, every curve reflects craftsmanship at its finest. These trousers don't just fit; they are enhances. They shape your posture, elevate your presence, and bring a sense of quiet strength to your look, making them perfect for every moment. Whether stepping into a boardroom, attending a stylish story, or simply enjoying a beautifully ordinary day paired with a top chosen to complement its refinement, the symbols transforms into a complete visual symptoms. Imagine a luxurious satin blouse with a subtle sheen moving gently with the flow of light, or a crisp of tailored shirt offers an air of sophistication and power, perhaps, or a detailed chiffon top that, no matter the style, the combination brings harmony, balancing structure with fluidity, boldness with elegance, and modernity with timeless grace. The neckline and sleeve design add even more character to the outfit, from soft ruffle, straight cut minimalistic, from long fitted sleeves to relaxed silhouettes. Each detail contributes the expressive. The outfit becomes a canvas that adapts to your personality, whether you are perfect understanding simplicity or luxurious play. Accessories elevate the symbols, adding layers of refinement and depth. A thin polished belt actuates the waist, drawing attention to the clean tailoring. A pair of delicate earrings or sleek necklace adds subtle sparkle without overwhelming the look. Even the choice of handbags transform the mood. Carry a structured tote for a profession vibe, or a genuine clutch for an evening infused with sophistication. Footwear complete the story. Heels introduce height and confidence, creating an elongated posture that feels both powerful and feminine. Flats or sandals cap the look, grounded yet stylish, ideal for days when comfort is priority. That elegance is still essentials. Every option adds its own charm, allowing the outfit to elevate with the rhythm of your day. Layering takes these assembles to new dimensions, and tailored blazer instantly adds authority. That a touch of modern professionalism. A long cardigan or lightweight shawl introduces softness and movement, perfect for the casual elegance. On cooler evening, a structured coat wrapped out of the statement of luxury and warmth. Each layer adds a capture of story, allowing to refinement the outfit effortlessly. This This pants outfit is more than clothing, it is a feeling, a moment, a quiet celebration of your confidence, grace, and individuality. It embraces the elegance of modern fashion while honoring the timeless beauty of simplicity, whether worn for special occasions or everyday moments. It carries an aura of sophistication that leaves a lasting impression. It is for the woman who walks with intention, who values comfort but refuses to compromise on style, who express her identity through every fabric, every shade, every silhouette. This pants outfit symbols captures that spirit, refined confidence, and beautifully empowering. Witness and quiet power of elegance unfold through this extraordinary pants outfit, and assembles crafted not merely to be worn but to be expressed. Every element of this look has been thoughtfully designed to create a perfect harmony of comfort, sophistication, and modern femininity. The trousers meticulously tailored with expert precision, creating a silhouette that is both flattering and effortlessly graceful. Their high-waisted structure shape the medications with refined delicately, while the smooth flowing lines for legs bring movement that feels almost poetic. The fabric carries its own personality, light yet substantial, soft yet structured, luxurious yet breathable. Its texture glides along the skin with a silky touch, creating a sense of quiet indolence. As you walk, the trousers sway gentle, capturing the light and shadow in a subtle dance that adds life to the entire symbols. This is the kind of garment that embraces your form without restricting it, creating an aura of confidence that feels natural. Complementary your own, paired with the trouser, is a top chosen not only for style but the emotion it brings. Imagine the gentle shimmer of the satin catching the glow of evening light, reflects sophistications with every turn. The neckline offers its own story, whether soft V-neck shape that elongates the frame, a classic collar that expresses authority, of a round minimal neckline that highlights understand elegance, sleeves flow with personality too. Long and tapered structure, powerful drama sleeves, or modern crispers, or gently flared for a touch of vintage charm. The beauty lies not only for its clothing but in the way of outfit adapts of your mood, your moment, and your unique sense of style. Thank you for watching my video.